Ready to transform your cold calling game with the power of automation and AI. First, let's get Highlevel set up as our base. Begin by logging into your Highlevel account and navigating to the automation section. This is the command center where we'll build the outbound calling workflow. Think of it as the brain of our operation, directing all the actions. Now, we bring in the vocal powerhouse Retell AI. You'll need to sign up for a Retell AI account. If you haven't already, the integration process involves connecting Highlevel to Retell AI so they can interact perfectly within Retell AI. You'll probably set up your AI agent, giving it a name, configuring its speaking style, and defining its responses. Next, find the integrations area. In Highlevel, you'll likely need to add your Retell AI API keys into Highlevel to establish a secure connection. This is the crucial link that allows Highlevel to trigger calls and pass information over to your AI agent, ensuring a seamless calling experience. Now, the magic begins in your outreach workflow. In Highlevel, you will create your outbound calling automation. Start by establishing a trigger. For instance, when a lead is added to a campaign for a specific tag or specific opportunity status, then configure the call action available in the automation builder, tying it into your Retell AI settings and specific agent. Fine-tune your call settings, crafting the message that the agents convey, tailoring your message to each lead, making it sound authentic after the call. Track the outcome of calls in Highlevel by checking the call logs, ensuring all information gets saved. Finally, be sure to enable your automation by switching the active button the on position within the automation settings. And there you have it. With Highlevel and Retell AI combined, you can automate your outbound calling. Get ready to see those leads convert and your customer engagement soar.